everyone, thanks for joining us for the next episode of What Do You Do? I'm here with Carson Green, who is a senior building inspector with the City of Davis. So Carson, what do you do?
Um, well, as a senior building inspector, I assign inspections to all of our building inspectors and oversee the staff. And I do complex building inspections for the city, a lot of commercial jobs. And also, we have a resale program that I oversee and assign those inspections to the resale inspectors that we have on staff as well.
How many inspectors do you guys have for resale versus building inspections?
We have 4 full-time building inspectors, and we have 2 full-time resale inspectors, and we also have a code compliant building inspector. And then we have our permit tech and counter staff, which are uh, plan review and permit techs.
So when you talk about resale inspection, what does that mean? Like, are they inspecting homes that are up for market and are being resold? Like, what is that?
The resale program that we have in Davis, for every home that goes on the market, there's a city ordinance that home is registered with the city, and then we do a resale inspection. So once the resale has been scheduled, we'll go out and do that inspection, the home inspection, and we will walk through the home, um, document the condition of the home, whether there's been any additions or remodels. We'll do an outside inspection as well, and then we'll come back to the building department and we will do research on that home to see if there's permits that had been pulled for any work that had been done that we might have verified or come across when we were doing the inspection.
Mm-hmm.
And then we will issue a report, and based on the report, maybe a permit might need to be issued or pulled for, say, for instance, a kitchen remodel that was done that was unpermitted previously. And then the homeowner would then get a building permit for the kitchen, and then the building inspector would go out and do a building inspection for the kitchen remodel to make sure that it was up to code.
So it's, I think, something to help protect the new homeowner, right, that's coming in, that they have the right permits, that everything was installed correctly by the former homeowner, and it is an important step of sort of that resale process. Is that correct?
Cool. Yeah, that's correct. The main importance of the resale program is to provide a safe home for buyer and for the seller to ensure that the home that is being sold meets the current code requirements, or at the time of build that it met the current code requirements for the state of California, that there aren't more bedrooms in that home than the city allows. We have a 5-bedroom minimum maximum.
Mm-hmm.
So if it exceeds that, then we want to make sure to cut down on that, just because of the
Safety or codes or whatever.
correct,
Yeah.
and that there aren't any illegal garage conversions,
Okay.
that type of thing.
So for the building inspectors then that don't do the resale inspections, do they work on homes as well, or do they also do like commercial or retail? What kind of inspections do they do?
For the
building inspectors?
The building inspectors, they do a variety of residential inspections,
Mm-hmm.
and then also commercial inspections as well.
Okay. And is it like new businesses that come into a retail spot? Like, what's the importance of doing an inspection for like a new shop that comes in downtown, for example?
So if it's a new building, then the importance would be to make sure that the building is built per the approved set of plans. So we're a third set of eyes that go out to verify the structure,
Mm-hmm.
the construction that's being done throughout the project, and that would be from start to finish.
And it sounds like that's to ensure that the building or whatever renovations are being done are done safely, up to code, right? In case there's maybe like an emergency or something happens to that building, that like people can escape in time, maybe?
That's correct. So the importance of one of the major importances of the building code is to ensure that a building is safe and that it's safe to occupy, and that it's will allow the occupants to get out in time in case of an emergency.
Nice. So, what is this background behind us? Like, what are all these rolled up pieces of paper?
So these are all building plans. They used to be called blueprints, but these are plans that have been submitted and approved that are ongoing projects here in the city.
Oh wow! And it's like a whole. That's a whole wall. How many do you think are here?
I would say that there's probably about 100
Oh
different
wow!
sets of plans for ongoing projects that are here on this wall right now.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. So, how many do you? How many inspections do you guys maybe do in a day?
For the resale program that we have here, we do 4 inspections a day during the peak season. And then for building inspections, we do on average from 50 to 70 inspections. Each inspector will be assigned approximately 15 inspections a day, just depending on the
Wow,
complexity of the project that they're working on.
that's a lot. I mean, when you think like 50 to 70 a day, and then each of those inspections probably comes with paperwork that needs to be done on the back end, or and then contacts with whoever needs that inspection done. So wow, that's quite a bit of work.
Yeah, it is. It keeps us very busy every day. Days go by fast. Some days are much busier than others, but um, Davis has been consistently the workload has been consistent for the time that I've been here for a number of years, and so
Mm-hmm.
it's a good thing. It's job security for and it ensures that the building department will hopefully be here for
We'll be
many
here
years to
for,
come.
yes, a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
So how long have you worked for the city?
I've worked with the city for the city since April of 2014, so it'll be 11 years this April.
Wow.
Yeah.
And why do you continue to work for the city? Like, what do you like about your job?
Um, well, I really like the rapport that I've built with the contractors over the years, getting to know homeowners, working with the public. I appreciate that aspect of being here. It's more of a tight knit group community. The people that I work with within the city, it's a
Mm-hmm.
great group of people. I really enjoy the community itself, the city of Davis. It's safe here. I like being able to go
Oh,
about my daily inspections and feel as if that I'm safe wherever I might go in town. So
that's
yeah,
awesome.
it's an overall really good environment.
Yeah, I'm glad
Yeah,
you like what you do and like you continue to work for the city and do a
sure.
great
Yeah,
job.
yeah, I like it too. It makes a big difference
For
for
sure.
coming to work every day.
So if someone has a question, maybe something that you mentioned has piqued their interest, how do they get in touch with building inspection?
The building department is open 8 to 4 Monday through Friday. So if anybody has a question about a permit, work that they're doing, if it needs a permit, they could always come down to the building department and somebody could help them. That'd be the easiest way to get the quickest answer. And our staff is always available to help with any questions that they might have.
Awesome. And that's at City Hall. So it's 23 Russell Boulevard.
That's correct.
That's where the building inspection office is. It's through one of the doors on the right when you enter the building.
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to mention before we end?
No, I don't have anything else.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I learned a lot and I work for the city. So hopefully you guys watching enjoyed this video as well. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thanks for your time. Bye.